franking credits in Australia. When companies make profits in Australia, these profits are taxed. Now, the tax rate used to be 30% for everybody, but if you're a small business, the tax rate is going down. But let's just keep it simple. Here is my simple example. We have a company that has profits of $100. Now, this $100 is very important. Remember this number. We're going to come back to it later. Now, it's taxed at 30% in this example, this simple example. So the tax on $100 at 30% is $30. That's going to be the tax paid. So the tax paid, that $30 is the franking credit. In simple terms, it's the tax paid on profits. So what happens next? We have our $100, we have our $30 in tax. That tax will be paid to the Australian government. And essentially, I'm going to describe it to you this way. It's put in a bank account with the government. So potentially, one day, you'll get the tax back. I'll say it again. One day, you're going to get the tax back. We have our company, $100 profit. That was taxed at 30%. And we have one owner called a shareholder, and his name is Max. Now the $30, that went to the government. We have $70 left. That's in our business bank account. Now the company has decided it will pay a dividend to Max. Max has to declare this in his tax return. So far, Max has $70. Now the government is going to withdraw the $30 in tax paid. They will give this to Max as a credit. So now Max has $100. Remember that number? That's the special number that I asked you to remember. That's what the company made in profits in the first place. Initially, the company has $100. Now, with this dividend, Max has $100. So in this simple example, let's say Max has a tax rate of 20%. He has the franking credit of 30%. Max will get a refund of $10. However, if Max's tax rate is 40%, the franking credit is 30%, Max will have to pay $10. And finally, if Max's tax rate was 30%, the franking credit was 30%, then Max would have nothing to pay at all, and he would not get a refund. Now, there are rules that go with collecting these franking credits. The Labor government wants to change some of these rules. We'll talk about that in another video. And also, the government is reducing the tax rate for small business. And we're going to have to think about that as well, because this is going to have a big impact on small business. Don't forget, guys, if you do have a question, you can get in touch with us. Just go to our website, the Contact Us page, and click the link.